Okay, here is the final house dimensions. I pulled out some furniture so we can see the plumbing, and you can see the dimensions on the top side and on the left side if you zoom in or look real close. But anyway, just to give you the general layout of plumbing here, I somewhat drew it to where that toilet is. There's the shower, starting with the shower, which you don't know what that is, but and then the toilet, and then the bathroom sink. And then this is the washer right there. I'm thinking about having the dryer on the other side. We have power right there, so it'd be convenient, and there's not enough space here. Then in the future, some type of maybe heat pump uh, AC system, but I'm not sure if we'll have money for that to start. We'll have a floor drain right here just to be next to that. So then we're coming across the dining room here over into the master bath area. So here, looking up, you starting here with the sink, and then the toilet, and then going up to the 45-degree. There's the heat pump water heater, which will put out cold air, and this will be a cold room for storing our vegetables from the garden. There's a floor drain there, and then just starting out at the kitchen sink right here. And I showed this in a video. If you want to see where the pipes are laid in the dirt, you can see that. But I just wanted to also show that I did the drawing here of the plumbing first, and then I can move my cursor on the screen here and then see exactly where the like I put this, where's this pipe, and look on the left, you can see it moves around a little bit, and so I can get my precise measurements from that. And then we just measured from each wall when we were setting these things in place. But just wanted to give the plumbing overview here, since I did the picture and I used this because it was easy. You can just do 45-degree angles for these, and then you can do measurements to certain spots. So the program kind of helped with this, and this is called Sweet Home 3D. And I've been using this for years, and this is a home design I did probably more than 8 years ago, maybe 10, I don't know. But started out designing and I went back to this original design. It's very efficient, and the way it's laid out, you might think for an off-grid home that this has a lot of extra plumbing and stuff. We have a well here in this utility room. There's the well right there. So yeah, but we wanted to have 2 bathrooms, and yeah, for a family of 6, it just, and being able to take on grandparents or something like that, just made sense to have 2. And we're doing all the work ourselves, so the extra cost was, maybe to have another $100 worth of this run over here or something. It's not that big of a deal when you're talking about building a house. But anyway, so yeah, this goes down to it toward the lagoon that way. And there's a video where I show the layout. You can see that if you're interested to see what we did. And if requested, I can make some of this stuff available somehow. You just have to let me know. I also have all the order sheet from Menards, which I can show as well.